everyone, so we're opening up this package. I think I know what it is. Let's see. Should be something carbon fiber. Okay. Oh, baby, look at that. That's a beauty right there. Take a look, take a look, take a look.
Ooh, ooh. Nice.
That carbon fiber, you know? That's gonna look good.
Wow.
Yes, sir. All right, what's good, everyone? So today we're gonna change out the diffuser right there, and we're gonna put on this carbon fiber diffuser. Should be pretty easy, shouldn't take too long at all. So I'll show you guys how to do this real fast. All right, so we got some screws down here, and then we got that, and then all you got to do is pull on this. So it should be really easy. So let's do it right now. One, damn, I can already see all the rocks under this thing. Shit. All right, so we got 4 of those. Right here. Then you gotta take that off, and one on the other side. Good, how you doing?
Good. I don't mind if you park here for a few minutes, but they'll ticket you for that.
Okay.
We've got kind of a goofy lady next door, you know.
Okay, yeah, no, I'm not parking. I'm just trying to fix this real fast.
Oh, it's awesome. All right.
Thank you, I appreciate it. All right, so then you just gotta pull. Pull this all off. Woo, that thing is sweet. All right, so that was a pretty easy install. Wasn't too bad. You did, for the one I bought, it was off eBay. You did have to drill the holes in it, which... All right, the one I got was off eBay. You did have to drill the holes in it, but it was still easy, no problem. I mean, you could do it in 10 minutes if you really wanted. So it was the first time I ever did it, so it took a little bit longer, but nah, it was good. Easy install, recommend it. Look at this. Whoo, dang. All right, I will put the link in the description for this, so if you want to get one yourself, and I hope this video helps. So have a good one, guys. All right, here's a little bit better look. So you can see it's carbon fiber. Yeah, that looks good.